Hey folks, this is Jason Good with the Good Life Outdoors. So I'm out here in the garage today and I'm going to be building yet another garage, a smaller one for my lawn equipment. And I'm going to be doing that in the backyard as a place to store just the extra stuff that's taking up room in our current garage, which I'm using as a workshop, so that I'm not having to stumble over it and it's just a little bit more space for me to work. So in that, I'm going to be building a kind of a little lean-to. It's going to be about 4 foot by 8 foot. I've done all the plans in Adobe Illustrator. That's how I usually do things. I know a lot of people use Google SketchUp with success, but I've always used Illustrator because I can just build things to size and know how much wood to buy and go from there. This garage is fine. It's just a standard 2-car garage, so I just need a little bit more space in here. You can see I've already started to organize. I've put up my pegboard so that I can have all my tools readily available. I've put some new LED shop lights in here just to make it a lot brighter. There was only one fluorescent fixture in here and it was pretty dull in here, so definitely brighten things up. So I'll walk you through how I'm going to be building this garage for my lawn equipment. I'll be using this garage because it's got a nice flat level floor to build all the components and then be taking it out to the backyard and putting it all together back there. So I hope you follow along and feel free to reach out in the comments with any questions. I'll get back to you on those. I will also link to as many of the products I'm using as I can. A lot of stuff I buy off Amazon. I am an Amazon associate, so if you buy something in one of the links below, a little bit comes back to me and it helps out the channel a little bit. No cost to you, but it does help me out. So you may check out the links below for some of the tools and equipment I'm using. So follow along, stay tuned, and we'll get started.
I bought 12-foot pieces of metal roofing. They need to be cut down to 6 feet, and I need to get them out of the way so that I can get to the wood underneath and get started on cutting. I'm getting my work site set up for the day. I'm starting with the foundation. I have some pressure treated 2x4s left around from another project, so that's one less thing I have to buy. And I'll be cutting everything to size, assembling it in the garage, and getting it ready to place. Here's the spot I've chosen for the shed. I need to clear everything out of here and get everything ready to place the blocks that I'm going to set the foundation on and get everything nice and level. Now it's time to build the walls. I'm cutting everything to size so I can lay it out and assemble it in the garage. I'm assembling a header to go over the door. This is 1/2-inch plywood sandwiched between two 2x4s. Maybe a little overkill for this project, but I might as well do it right. Clearly I need a little help, so I got my lovely assistant to come out and help me finish out the walls.
Well, that wraps up day one of this build. I'm pretty pleased with how it's turned out. I've been kind of taking my time working on other projects as well, so I feel like this is a good way to stop here for the day. I will be working on this tomorrow and putting up the rafters, the siding, and kind of finishing it out, hopefully. We'll see how long that takes, but appreciate you sticking around, and we'll keep on going at it.
Stay tuned for the next episode in this shed build. In the meantime, y'all get out there and live the good life.